we going to allow Kerala to imagine a completely new future, or are we going to trap the people of Kerala? There are actually only two parties fighting in Kerala. One is the UDF alliance and the other is the partnership between the BJP and the LDF. The LDF and their hidden partner crush people's dreams. Modi ji promises 2 crore jobs. Your chief minister promises 40 lakh jobs in Kerala. And after a decade, you find that they have not given a single job. Today, 1 in 3 Kerala youngsters is unemployed. There are backdoor appointments available under the LDF. Merit does not matter if you know someone in the LDF. You can be a PSC rank holder and you will not get an appointment letter. And instead of making you number 1 in employment, number 1 in technology, they have made you number 1 in drug cases in India. There are 8.25 lakh drug users in Kerala, including 75,000 children. This is what the LDF has to show for the last 10 years. I want to tell every single young person in Kerala that this election is about your future, is about your employment. Defeat the corrupt LDF, expose the BJP's politics of hate, let Keralam breathe again. Keralam will win, UDF will lead. Jai Keralam, Jai UDF, Jai Hind.